Right after the Enugu-Binago junction is this luxury buy and build land, which is along the Enugu-Abakaliki Expressway. Welcome to Emerald Court Estate. Emerald Court Estate is one of the most affordable yet luxury buy and build property in Enugu. It comes with a C of O, which is one of the best title a property can have. Emerald Court Estate is currently on a pre-launch price, of which we'll be giving out 10 plots for the first 10 persons for just 10 million naira, of which the actual price is 15,450,000. Now, Emerald Court Estate is just 15 minutes drive from the Enugu International Airport, just 5 minutes drive from Enugu-Binago. Emerald Court Estate can serve for both the residential and the commercial purpose. Now we have up to 70 plots at Emerald Court Estate, and we are giving out 10 plots for the first 10 persons to key into this offer for 10 million naira. Now, if you are looking at to start up a commercial business for easy cash flow, then Emerald Court Estate is one of the estates that you can put in your money. All you have to do today is to call Josh Consults on the number on your screen for inspection and booking. Thank you.